How to tie a bow tie knot. Want to rock a bow tie like a true gentleman? Whether it's for a wedding, a black tie event, or just to turn heads at your next dinner party, the bow tie is the ultimate symbol of confidence and classic style. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to tie a bow tie knot step by step with clear instructions that make it simple, even for first-timers. Step 1. Drape the bow tie around your neck with one end slightly longer than the other, about 1.5 inches longer. The longer end will be the active side. Step 2. Cross the longer end over the shorter end, forming an X near your collar. Step 3. Take the longer end up through the neck loop from underneath and pull it tight. Flip the longer end over your shoulder and let it rest for now. Step 4. Take the shorter end and fold it horizontally to form a bow shape, holding it firmly at the center. Step 5. Take the longer end, which is resting over your shoulder, and drop it straight down over the middle of the folded bow shape. Step 6. Now fold the longer end back on itself, creating the back half of the bow tie. Step 7. There is a small gap behind the bow shape. Push the folded longer end through this loop from behind. Step 8. Hold both sides of the bow and gently pull to tighten. Step 9. Adjust the bow so that both loops are even and symmetrical. Done! You've successfully tied a bow tie knot, a timeless and elegant knot perfect for tuxedos and formal attire. Like this video if you're tired of clip-ons and want to tie it like a pro. Subscribe for more timeless style tips and tutorials. Comment below. Where are you wearing your bow tie next? Sharp, sophisticated, stylish. Tying a bow tie has never been this easy.